You nasty Pisces, disgusting, worst, horrific human of a person. I cannot believe you're doing that right now. Huh? What on earth are you doing? I'm playing a game. Wow, I knew it. I knew it. All Pisces play with either Microsoft, they play with video games, or they just sit weird while they're trying to hunch over playing video games. It makes sense. I knew it. First off, I'm an Aries. I don't know how you thought playing games would allow you to think that I'm a Pisces. Where are you getting your information from? No, Cap, Buckethead, Star Wars, Stormtrooper, Clone Trooper, Buckethead, Cap. You're a Pisces, and you can't deny it. Okay. I'm gonna go get some food. You, get some therapy. Jeez. Hey. Swear I can't believe I'm in the same room. What are you doing? Drinking soda? Duh, I can see that. All Aquariuses drink lemon lime soda. Okay. No, not finna crash out. Today.
Later that same evening.
Nah, bro. We not doing this, bro. Come on, man. Come on, bro. What? Scorpio! I knew it. Nah, my bad, bro. I had it wrong. My bad. Taurus! Okay, how about freaking nothing? Alright. How about nothing? Just one question. In the history of common sense and the decent amount of brain cells and cognitive thinking, why do people like y'all think it's okay to judge a person's actions or what they do based off their zodiac sign from the month they're born in? The moon and the stars and the planets don't know none of y'all. Why is this a dictation? Because your thoughts play a part in your feelings and your day-to-day life. Get on somewhere. Hey, I got a real smarter idea, okay? Stay off Twitter. Stay off TikTok. Stay off the internet. Stay out of these online debates about and don't listen to nobody who thinks that zodiac signs control people's actions. The only thing that controls people's actions is themselves and the moon, halfway. And everyone who thinks this is okay, y'all are part of the problem why this is happening. Get on somewhere.